My ass! What the hell was that? I gotta shit. Oh my God! What the hell was that? Huh? There's something in my stomach! Get out of my belly!
Jared, are you all right?
Oh my God! I'm skinny! I'm skinny! Yip yip yahoo!
Hey, Jared. Hey, Denny. Hey, Denny!
What is it now, Army boys? Oh shit!
The guy who did it, he's gone. He just disappeared.
Well, why don't you stick around to apologize and do shit up about